Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to copy metadata from one JPEG image file to another. Open your favorite browser. Go to imgonline.com.ua. In the top menu bar, click on EXIF editor. Click on Copy EXIF IPTC XMP metadata. First, we need to specify two images. Click on Choose File next to the text which says Get metadata from here. Select the image file on your computer from which you want to copy metadata and click Open. Now click on Choose File next to the text which says Copy metadata here. Select the image file on your computer to which you want to copy metadata and click Open. Under Advanced Settings, check the box next to the text that says Clear the metadata from the second picture before copying. Click on the drop-down menu next to the text Thumbnail from the first picture and select Do Not Copy. Click OK to proceed. That's it, metadata is copied. Click on Download Processed Image to save the file on your computer. This is how you can copy metadata from one JPEG image file to another. Thank you for watching.